What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to DIY Buildouts. My name is Kyle and I'm going to show you how to replace worn out deck boards on your deck. Now I'm going to replace a small segment on mine just because I have some sap coming up, as you can see, but this little project is something that some people, new homeowners especially, just don't feel comfortable doing. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, the limited tools you can do it with, and without further ado, let's just dive right in. Here we go. Okay guys, so real quick, a little update here. We bought our house about 3 years ago. The deck was already on it, so I didn't put nails into this deck, but whoever did was a devil. You're supposed to use deck screws. That is why they call them deck screws. It's so that you can remove them when it comes time to replace boards. These nails are really slowing the project up, but I have been able to overcome it by putting a circular hole saw around the nail to drill down so that I can chisel away at the nail, hammer, and pry it out. It's a pain in the butt and I gotta do it about 10 times, but all in all, to get rid of the sap, it's gonna be worth it. So sorry for this little breakup, but again, all projects come with some setbacks. This is one I'm facing and I figured I'd share it with you and you can learn from it. All right, back to it. All right guys, so I finally got the board out of the deck here. It was a lot of work, but it made a tremendous difference when I put the hole saw around the nail, and then I was able to pry away the wood real quick with a chisel or the back of a hammer, and then just get at the nail so I could actually get the head of the nail to pull it out. It made all the difference in the world. So if you're ever stuck and you really want to desecrate the wood that you're doing it with, try a hole saw around the nail, and then you can actually chisel away and pry at it like I did. It really worked well. And as you can see, it is now out of the deck. Now I'm gonna put the new board down and start painting. So here we go. Okay guys, that's all for this one. If you had deck screws in place, unlike I did, you would have been able to remove the deck screws, pull the board out, cut the new board to length, put it in place, and put deck screws down. But I imagine if you're watching this video, you probably have nails, or you're wondering, how do you get your deck up without destroying it? Well, with a little bit of creativity, I was able to get the nails out, not harm the deck, and get a new board in place. So hopefully this video was able to teach you something, and I was able to solve my problem. Maybe you can leave a comment below talking about some of the ways you've conquered different problems. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to have more DIY projects around the house posted. And well, that's all for this one, guys. Have a wonderful day.